Let's start with the fifth example. And what is said here? A stone is dropped from the top of a building. So the stone is being dropped. When it crosses a point 5 meter below the top, another stone starts to fall from a point 25 meter below the top. Both stones reach the bottom simultaneously. The height of the building is okay. So basically, say this is the building, and this is the point which is 5 meters below the building, and this is the point which is 25 meter below the building. So basically the motion at t equal to 0 we will consider from here. This stone is being falling with a velocity which it gains during falling, which is under root 2gh. So that would be under root 2 into 10 into 5. So that comes out to be 10 meter per second, and this particular stone is being dropped. So now we can consider the relative motion between the two thing. Okay. So as the time taken by them to reach the ground is same. Simultaneously they are reaching the ground. So here the gap between the two stones. So you can see the gap between the two stones is 20 meter, and let us suppose this displacement is say x, that we can find in the later part. Now both the stone is taking same time to fall down. So time taken by a stone to fall down will be under root 2x upon g, and time taken by the second stone to fall would be displacement 20 plus x is equal to ut, that is 10t plus half a t square. While t1 and t2 both timings are same, so I can substitute this also in terms of x. Okay, so 20 plus x is equal to, now I can substitute x in terms of t, because both the stones are taking same time to fall down. So this t1 and t2 are same. As t1 and t2 both are same, so I can just write them as t. So I can replace t here in terms of x. So it will be 10 in bracket. T would be written as under root 2x by g plus half into 10 into t1 square will be equal to 2x upon g. And now you will get a quadratic equation in terms of x, and that we need to solve. Okay. So 20 plus x would be equal to 10 in bracket x upon 5, that is 2 5s are 10, plus 2 2 cancel, 10x upon g, which is 10, this get cancelled out. Okay, now taking x terms together, so 20 plus x, and this x will this x and this x will get cancelled, because it will be 20 plus x is equal to 10 under root of x by 5 plus x. This x will get cancelled out. So 20 would be equal to 10 root x by 5, this 0 and this 0 get cancelled. Now squaring on both sides, so 4 would be equal to x upon 5. So x comes out to be 20 meter. As x is 20 meter, so the height of the building would be, so as you can see, height of the building would be 20 plus 25. So the height of the building will be 20 plus x, which is 25, which comes out to be 45 meter. So 45 meter is the height of that building, which is very easy here. Thank you.